Hello students, my name is Aditya Kashyap and today we will discuss Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction is an important reaction in which two aldehyde molecule which has no alpha hydrogen reacts in strongly alkaline medium, that is reacts with a base to form salt of acid and an alcohol molecule. So, the condition is that aldehyde molecule should not have any alpha hydrogen. Let us see the reaction. In this reaction, two aldehyde molecule, for example, we are considering simple aldehyde molecule which has no alpha hydrogen is a formaldehyde. So, two formaldehyde molecule reacts with base. Let us say we are considering a strong base NaOH and it goes under disproportionation reaction, means one aldehyde molecule going to be oxidized and another aldehyde molecule going to be reduced, which forms salt of acid, that is sodium formate, salt of acid and an alcohol, that is methanol. So, this is the product in Cannizzaro reaction. One aldehyde molecule which is going to be oxidized. So, the formaldehyde one going under oxidation and another aldehyde molecule going to be reduction method, undergoing reduction. So, let us see the reaction, how this reaction occurs, reaction mechanism. First aldehyde molecule reacts with base. Here we have no alpha hydrogen. The condition is the aldehyde molecule should not have any alpha hydrogen. If it has alpha hydrogen, it will go under aldol condensation reaction. So, it has no alpha hydrogen, no alpha H. It reacts with a base OH minus, in which the carbon has delta positive charge and oxygen has delta negative charge. So, this OH minus act as a nucleophile and undergo nucleophilic addition reaction. So, as this OH minus attacks, the pi bond shifts towards the more electronegative atom oxygen and it will form tetrahedral intermediate HC, H, OH and O minus, in which oxygen has 3 lone pair and a negative charge. Now, this reaction reacts with further another molecule of aldehyde, in which the lone pair reforms pi bond and hydride ion expelled out, which attack on the another molecule of aldehyde. So, hydride transfer takes place. Hydride transfer takes place. It is very important step in this reaction. Now, we get one molecule of acid and one molecule of this. Now, in further next step, the proton exchange takes place. Proton exchange takes place. And we get salt of acid and an alcohol molecule, that is methanol. So, as we can see that the hydride shift takes place, which is very important step. Now, in this step, this molecule, the tetrahedral intermediate, is going under oxidation and this hydride, due to shift of this hydride, the another molecule of aldehyde going under reduction, and this is the final product. So, this is an example of disproportionation reaction, in which one aldehyde molecule gets oxidized, we are getting salt of acid from aldehyde and another molecule going to reduce, that is we are getting alcohol from aldehyde. So, this is Cannizzaro reaction.